Hi, thank you for using my court coach. I'm Susan, and I will be your instructor in our discussion of Form FL-341C. This form is used when you are seeking custody and visitation orders. It is a form which allows you to specify the orders you would like with regard to vacation and holiday schedules. It is usually attached to Form FL-300, which is a request for order. Let's look at that for a moment. Form FL-300 is the request for order. This was for a hearing if you and the other party cannot reach an agreement. If you look at number 2, it's for child custody requests and visitation requests. For the children, or each child, you will ask for orders, and these will be on Form 341C. Let's look at that now. This is the children's holiday schedule attachment. And as I said, although it can be to a petition or response, it is usually used as an attachment on a request for order or on a responsive declaration to the request for order. This is the holiday parenting time that you would like to see ordered by the court. And it's a very useful form because it sets forth almost every holiday and vacation time. Let's take a look at it. December, New Year's Eve. What would you like to see happen? You can say the time that visitation would start and the time visitation would end. Do you want you or the other parent to have this time every year, in even-numbered years or in odd-numbered years? Perhaps you would like the order to extend from New Year's Eve through New Year's Day. This allows you again to establish the facts or the request exactly as you wish it. As you go through the list, it includes every school holiday, school breaks, including spring break, and every official holiday, such as Mother's Day, Memorial Day, Father's Day, and the 4th of July. Children who are in school will have a summer break unless they're on all year-round schooling, and this allows you to put in the specific information you would like the court to consider in making an order for visitation during the summer holiday break, Labor Day weekend, and all the holidays in between. There is a place then for winter break. This form also allows you to make a request for visitation on a child's birthday, on your birthday, and on the other parent's birthday. It even has a space for what we have just talked about is some schools are year-round, and having the school schedule will allow you to give the court the information it needs to make an order with regard to vacations during the school year for year-round school. If you do not have enough space on this form, you can attach another piece of paper in which you provide the scheduling and the information the court would need to make such an order. If there are other holidays, such as religious holidays that you wish considered, the form gives you space to put that information in. And if there's any 3-day weekend that's not specified, this gives you space to put in your request for parenting time for that holiday as well. Number 2 is where you will address vacations. Do you feel comfortable with allowing each party to have a certain number of days or weeks each year, uninterrupted, to take a vacation with the child? It could be during winter break, or during summer break if the children are school-aged. This gives you guidance as to tell the court what other orders you want with regard to vacations, such as the other party must notify you, and vice versa, of where they are going, the itinerary, the flight plan, and the address and telephone number where the child will be. You can check off if you want the parties to make a good faith attempt to resolve any differences, and if they cannot, to go and ask the court to make an order. If you are comfortable that vacation may be outside the state of California under C, and if any vacation is taken outside of the California or even the United States, you are going to request that you have written consent or that there is an order for such visits. If you require additional orders with regard to the other parent's vacation or holiday time, E allows you space to put in that request and the facts to support it. As with other forms, you may attach a blank piece of paper as an attachment if there's not enough room on the form for the facts you request the court to consider in this matter. I hope that helped you with this attachment in requesting holiday time with each of the children. Good luck with your efforts.